Hello everyone. Let us evaluate this integral. Integral from 0 to 4 in numerator cube root of x plus 5 divided by in denominator cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x. Integral is with respect to x. Solution for this. First of all, consider given integral as I. So I is equal to integral from 0 to 4 cube root of x plus 5 divided by cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x and its integral with respect to x. Here, to evaluate this integral, we have to apply the property of indefinite integration, and that property is given integral of f of x with respect to x. Integral from a to b is equal to integral from a to b f of a plus b minus x integral with respect to x. A is lower limit, b is upper limit, and here a is 0, b is 4. Applying this property, given integral can be written as I is equal to this integral using this. Now using this integral I, which is equal to integral from 0 to 4 cube root of, we are replacing x by a plus b minus x. A is 0, b is 4. 0 plus 4 minus x plus 5 divided by cube root of 0 plus 4 minus x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus 0 plus 4 minus x. Its integral with respect to x. Let us simplify this integral. Hence I is equal to integral from 0 to 4 in numerator cube root of 0 plus 4 minus x. 4 minus x plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. We can write here 9 minus x divided by this term also becomes cube root of 9 minus x plus this becomes 9 minus 0 minus 4 minus minus plus x, that is 5 plus x. Hence cube root of x plus 5 and integral is with respect to x. Consider this as expression number 1 and this as expression number 2. Taking addition of 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 gives I plus I is equal to integral of 0 to 4 cube root of x plus 5 divided by cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x plus limits from 0 to 4 integral of second integral, that is cube root of 9 minus x divided by cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of x plus 5 integral with respect to x. Hence I plus I is equal to 2i and right hand side, limits of this integral and this integral are same, 0 to 4, 0 to 4. We can combine these two integrals. Hence, integral from 0 to 4. Combining these two integrals means we are combining integrands of both the integrals. So, integrand of first integral is cube root of x plus 5 divided by cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of integrand of second integral, that is this one, cube root of 9 minus x divided by cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of x plus 5, bracket close, integral with respect to x. Hence 2I is equal to integral from 0 to 4. Here denominator of this term and denominator of this term are same. Hence LCM of these two terms, that will be cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x, and numerator cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x, its integral with respect to x. Since integral from a to b f of x dx plus or minus integral from a to b g of x dx is equal to integral from a to b f of x plus or minus g of x dx. So we get this integral, and simplifying this integral we have obtained this integral. But here numerator and denominator both are same. So cancelling numerator with denominator, integrand becomes 1. Hence 2I is equal to integral from 0 to 4 1 dx. But we know integral of k with respect to x, where k is constant, kx. Hence 2I is equal to x, and limits from 0 to 4. Now replace x by upper limit first, and then replace x by lower limit, and which is equal to 4 minus 0 is 4. Hence 2I is equal to 4. Taking this 2 on this side, I is equal to 4 upon 2. Hence I is equal to 4 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. I is equal to 2. This is value of given integral, which is final answer. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.